In our life, high school journey, most enjoyable time. Accordingly, now I'm standing in front of my high school. You can see the extension building in my high school. Once I was a student of my school. Right now coming, I am totally astounding seeing the new building that is actually extension building. You can see several players playing in the central field of my high school. That's why I can tell you that a lot of memory in my life involved when I was a student in my school. Every man's life, a lot of memory involved. Not only me, but also others. That's why school life is a very enjoyable life. On the other hand, that is a very great time in our life. After starting in my school, now I am recalling those memories that is involved in my life. So I can tell you that if you come in this school, you can see this wonderful image in my school. That's why the location of my school actually in Muktagasa, this means Ramodpur Bazar. So you are invited to my school. Thank you very much.